Welcome to the learning graveyard. West booking wording ain't so hard. In every dark corner there won't be a quarter, but you'll find a friend named Jack-O-Learn. Jack-O-Learn, oh so weird. Halloween is not so feared. Explore horror themes with Jack-O-Learn, and all your fears will overturn. So come on, little witches and monsters.
Hello, little witches and monsters. I am Jack-O-Learn. In today's episode, Pedro and I are gonna show you a fun Halloween activity for you to enjoy with your parents.
Yeah, today I'm gonna carve on Jack-O-Learn.
Wait, you're gonna carve my face?
Oh, no, what I meant to say is I'm gonna help guide Jack-O-Learn carve a Jack-O-Lantern out of a pumpkin.
Oh, that's a relief.
Alright, let's get started!
Ta-da! We got our pumpkin.
Look at that pumpkin!
Yep.
Ooh, your pumpkin carving tools.
Yep.
Little safety tools. Make sure you don't use a big old kitchen knife. You use one of these little sets.
Oh yeah.
Alright. Angle your knife inward instead of straight up. Down, especially if you're cutting from the top.
Okay. All right. How am I doing?
That looks pretty good. This keeps the lid from falling inside. You know, you don't want it to collapse within, you know?
Yeah. All right. Here we go.
Oh, look at you go.
Okay.
Looks like you've done this before.
Wow.
Hopefully to none of your friends. Oh my god.
Oh, what?
Alright, look at that. Look at all the guts inside. The brains scooping out all the guts. Oh, Jack, that's gross looking in there.
Yeah, all the guts. Yum.
Oh, look at those little seeds. You can save those and make a little snack.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at all those guts.
Oh,
Ooh, nice and clean. There's no brain in there at all.
Oh yeah, that's kind of.
Oh, kind of like you, Jack.
There you go.
All right. Look, this is really nice. Oh, okay. Separate the seeds and the guts because you're gonna make those for snacks. For if you plan to roast the pumpkin seeds for a snack, which I think you should because it's delicious. You'll find a simple recipe in the description. Look at that. That's a lot of work.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Now time for art.
Ooh. Oh, look at that. You're drawing the little triangles for the eyes. Easy little shapes. This is actually how Jack does his eyeliner.
Haha, very funny.
All right, what's next? We just do the little mouth.
Okay.
Big old smile.
Yep.
Like a half a circle. There you go.
And
Draw little teeth.
Yep.
Oh, those are cute little teeth. Look at those.
Yeah.
Oh, he needs to go to the dentist, that guy.
All right, here we go.
Oh, the nose. See the little triangles? 3 little triangles. That's cute. Oh.
All right, here we go.
Oh my god, carving his eyes out.
No, I know what. Victor Frankenstein feels like. Yeah.
Oh, graphics.
Remember.
Oh, his eyes out. Oh, look at that. It's kind of cute.
Remember, kids, parental supervision.
All right, yeah, you don't want to be running around with a little knife. Make sure you're careful. Oh, look, that's really nice, actually. Look at the little eyes.
All right, here we go.
So this is just a great descendant of yours, right? This
Oh, wait. So how am I doing, Pedro?
looks pretty good. All right, the teeth is going to probably be the hardest part. You got to there's like little corners. You got to make sure that you're carving. You don't want to carve away at the teeth.
Okay. All right, you got it.
You're doing great.
Good.
Cutting the little teeth. All right, the little squares.
All right.
Like carve away at the little fleshy insides.
That's good. Okay. All right. It's pretty tough, but I'm doing it. There we go. All right.
Oh man, look at you go! You're doing great.
Yeah. I'm now a dentist, man. Ha ha.
All right, look, I'm gonna put a smile on this face.
Mm-hmm.
Is this how you do your makeup? Because I feel like it.
What you trying to say?
Look at that. All right, that's starting to really show. Look at that.
Yeah.
This is the most detailed part, I think.
Definitely. And be sure to have your parents help you in case it gets too difficult. Alright.
Oh, look at that. Oh, it's a beautiful self-portrait, Jack.
Yeah, clean. What?
That's actually really great. 3 little triangles and a beautiful smile.
Wow, Wow, that was easy and so much fun.
Yep, that's it for today. I hope you learned a lot.
Thank you for watching. You have a haunted day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Jack-o'-lantern.